Hello and welcome back to 60 Minute Copy. And in this video, we're going to go over the simple sales letter formula. Now, we are revealing the entire formula to you in this video, and we're going to go through each step of the way. The first step will be the pre-headline, which you will see in your PDF, your example PDF. You will then see a headline, which you're probably very familiar with, which will give you the primary benefit. You'll then see a call to action to watch the video. So in other words, this is not going to be your call to action to buy the product. This is going to be your call to action in order to tell people, watch the following video. Next will come the big why. In other words, why should they continue reading the sales letter? If they've decided not to watch the video you want them to read, you want to tell them right away why they should keep reading. You'll then want to introduce to them the big problem that you are going to solve, and you want to make sure that your product is solving a pain point or a problem that you know is among those who are your buyers. And then you will present your product as the solution. Now, the next step, what you're going to do is describe the product. You'll then outline each video or set of videos. You're then going to provide benefit bullets, which will give the buyer the opportunity to know how their lives are going to change as a result of buying the product. You're then going to introduce some fast action bonuses so that the people know that your offer stands, and if they take action quickly, they'll be able to get all of the value. And if they don't, then of course, then they're not going to get all the available value. It is a scarcity play. You will then introduce to them the money back guarantee. Then you will do a slight comparison, and if you haven't done so in your fast action section, you will introduce some element of scarcity. You will then call them to action. In other words, you'll tell them what they need to do. Click the button to make the purchase or to add to cart, or whatever your call to action is, you will call them to action. You'll then end your sales letter with a cursive signature. You'll punctuate that cursive signature with a personal image. And then you'll give them a PS, which is also very important. And you will follow that with the payment button. Now, you'll see this in each element of your sales letter, and you'll see it highlighted, so you should be able to follow along as you see what you're going to be doing with your sales letter. So with that, now we will get into creating a sales letter for a product.